Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the most important and frequently asked SQL queries. Okay, and these queries will help you in real-time work environment. Okay, for understanding on how to write a query clearly. Guys, if you need this PDF, I have uploaded this PDF in an interview preparation kit. Please do check out and let me know if you have any queries. Okay. I have mentioned the link in the description and also in the comment section. How to retrieve the second highest salary of an employee. Okay, we can perform this using a max function and a subquery. How to get the nth highest salary. How to fetch all employees whose salary is greater than average salary. Write a query to display the current date and time. How to find the records in table, duplicate records in a table. How can you delete the duplicate rows? How to get common records from two tables. How to retrieve the last 10 records from a table. How do you fetch the top 5 employees with highest salary? How to calculate the total salary of all employees? How to write a query to find all employees who joined in the year 2020? Can you write a query to find employees whose name starts with capital A? How can you find the employees who do not have a manager? How to find the department with highest number of employees? How to get the count of employees in each department? Write a query to fetch employees having the highest salary in each department. How to write a query to update the salary of all employees by 10%. How can you find employees whose salary is between 50,000 and 1 lakh? How to find the youngest employee in the organization? How to fetch the first and last record from a table? Can you write a query to find all employees who report to a specific manager? How can you find the total number of departments in the company? How to find the department with lowest average salary? How to delete all employees from a table in one department in one query? How to display all employees who have been in the company for more than 5 years? How to find the second largest value from a table? How to write a query to remove all records from a table but keep the table structure? Can you write a query to find all employees' records in XML format? How to get the current month's name from? How to convert a string to lowercase letter? How to find all employees who do not have any subordinates? Can you write a query to calculate the total sales per customer in a sales table? Write a query to check if a table is empty. How to find the second highest salary of each department? Can you write a query to fetch employees whose salary is multiple of 10,000? How to fetch records where a column has null values? How to write a query to find the total number of employees in each job title? Can you write a query to fetch all employees whose name ends with N? How to find all employees who work in both departments 101 and 102? Can you write a query to fetch the details of employees with the same salary? How to update the salary of employees based on their department? How to write a query to list all the employees without a department? Can you write a query to find the maximum salary and minimum salary in each department? How to list all the employees hired in the last 6 months? Can you write a query to display a department wise total and average salary? Okay, So similarly guys, I have covered up to 70 questions, so please do check out. All these are very important for interviews. Let me know if you have any queries or questions. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. I have uploaded this PDF in the interview preparation kit, which is a complete package. I have mentioned the link in the description and also in the comment section. Please do check out and let me know if you have any queries. Thank you so much. All the best for your upcoming interview. Stay tuned for more updates. Happy learning, happy testing.